hope so.
He's
I hope so too.
very helpful.
Very good.
Helpful.
Man.
Helpful man.
Helpful man.
Helpful man.
Okay.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Oh,
Oh, lahat.
uy, naalala ko.
He always lalay me down.
Malalay me. Help.
Help me always.
Accompanying me.
I cannot.
The translator.
Accompanying.
Ayan.
Ako translator. Sige. Ang bala.
Sige, simulan mo. Sige. Sige
Magsabi ka
na.
daw ng Tagalog, tatranslate ni Johan.
Ay,
Sige.
ano mo sasabihin mo kay JC?
Tagalog kasi ta-translate.
Oh.
Translate.
Mga asa ako na sila hindi mo nakahimulay.
I'm hoping you don't...
Stop.
Stop.
Mabilis lang.
Oh, sige.
I'm hoping you two don't get separate.
Let's go.
And
Umaasa ako na ang dalawa ay magkakasama sa habang panahon.
Stop.
and I'm hoping you two get together happily ever after.
Dahil